Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a different plan to go all day today. So guys, stay tuned and find out what it is.
Alright guys, so we just finished dropping off the kids and now we're gonna go do our own thing, so stay tuned and watch to see what's coming.
Alright guys, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Alright guys, so we are here at the store. We dropped off the kids already and we had to stop by the store. And guys, Halloween is almost here. They are already putting up the stuff and they got all this stuff. Look, this one look like me, guys.
You got that right.
And this could be Susu. Yeah guys, so we had to stop by the store really quick and we will continue with this vlog with no kids.
Alright guys, so here we are.
Our next stop is
Alright guys, so we're here, we're gonna have some breakfast and we're gonna go ahead and show you when we order what we're gonna do.
Alright guys, so we already got the coffee for the breakfast and the bread. And how you eat this? You go like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright guys, so now we're waiting for the breakfast. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so our breakfast just got here and we're gonna go ahead and start eating.
My breakfast, your Latin breakfast. Frying, American breakfast.
Oh yeah, and my cafe.
And my cafe.
Alright, so let's get straight into it. Let's eat and let's enjoy this breakfast.
Alright guys, so we are just leaving from the restaurant. We got breakfast and it's raining, guys. So we gotta go running. Alright guys, so that was the breakfast. And guys, breakfast was delicious. We have a good breakfast. So guys, we are ready for the day because we had a breakfast morning and the morning breakfast. So guys, stay tuned. Watch this video to the end. Alright guys, so right now we're just trying to get some parking space. But the Tesla here can't park. So
thank you, babe. You got me a Tesla.
She needs 2 spaces so she can park. So let's see how well she'll park her car. All right, let's see. Do. What? All right, let's see, guys. Let's see how well she gonna park. Beep. Ooh, beep. Uh-oh. Beep. Guys, shit in. But I'm pretty sure.
I took 2 spots. Open it.
No, I can see it already. Look how far that goes. Bad driver, guys. Bad driver. Let's see. Let's show the vlog. Let's show the vlog how you park. Where do you buy your license? Huh?
You bought it for me.
You couldn't even park when there was only 1 parking space. You have to wait for someone else to leave. You can park. You're a bad driver.
But we're parked though. That's what matters. We're here and we're parked.
Alright guys, so stay tuned. We're going in to our
next destination. Alright guys, so the next destination is that I'm gonna do my nails. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head in and start doing my nails and I'll show you the outcome. And he is going to have a very bad time because he hates waiting for me
to stay waiting until you
Are you ready to wait? Are you ready to wait?
You got 10 minutes to
10
finish.
minutes?
Go.
Let me go. Let me go. Bye guys.
Guys, 1 hour later, we're still here. Show yourself. We literally been here for an hour and a half, guys, doing her nails.
7 minutes.
Alright guys, so stay tuned. I'm still waiting. See you later. Alright guys, finally she's out of the nail place. And 1 hour later, guys.
It was 10 minutes.
Here you go.
And here's my result.
Bro, stop moving it so they can see it. Stop moving it. Show it. Oh, the
Yeah, guys, so I did my nails. And
1 hour later, guys.
I told you that was gonna be his reaction, guys.
Alright, so next stop.
Come on, guys, let's go to the next destination. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, so I just finished my nails and they look so pretty. And now we're gonna get something to drink. And look at all these yummy desserts, guys. I want one of everything.
But she getting one of those pink ones.
Yeah.
So what she get? They got cake. Look at that pastry. Alright guys, so we are about to get our drink. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are here about to drink our drinks. So, damn, I was gonna show them how it sounds. Look how it sounds, guys.
Sorry. Cheers.
And let's see what you got,
Coca-Cola.
You got Coca-Cola.
And you, what did you get? Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Let's see your lip.
Oh.
Let's see your lip. Give it a bite.
It's so pretty and glittery. Alright, let me give it a bite.
And I just drink my drink.
Are you ready? It's rum cake. It's rum cake.
It's good? I don't know.
Uh-oh.
It's about to fall out. They shouldn't put a stick
That's
on.
not a good bump.
They shouldn't put a stick. What is wrong with you, girl?
What that?
Of course it's going to be video. Alright guys, so we're gonna have the drink, so stay tuned. So don't forget to like this video, and if you want to share with us. Share.
Cheers. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, turn the post notifications on, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and stay tuned for what's next. I'm gonna drink my Coke.
And I'm gonna drink my pink. What did you order? Pineapple. Juba. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Watch this video to the end. With no kids. Guys, we still haven't picked up the kids, and right now we just entered the Miami International Airport. Oh my God, guys, what are we doing here? Where are we going? You're gonna have to stay tuned and find out what are we doing here at the Miami International Airport. We're here, guys. So stay tuned and find out what we're doing here. Guy, we are inside the airport. Where are we going, guys? Where are we going? This way? No, this way? Are you sure? This way. Guys, we are inside the airport right now with no kids, obviously. So guys, like we said, stay tuned and find out what are we doing here. Wow, I look so black. Where are we going? We gotta go that way? Yeah. Guys, we gotta walk all this. So guys, stay tuned and find out. Alright? Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. What are we doing here, guys? I don't know. Alright guys, so now we are just leaving the airport right now. We're still here.
Yeah.
But guys, if you notice it, we are
in a different car.
So guys, you guys have 10 minutes to
10 seconds.
I mean, oh yeah, 10 seconds to figure it out
What car we are in.
What car we are in, guys. So take a look and tell us in the comment down below what car we are leaving the airport in, guys. Look at it, look at it. You guys got 10 seconds, guys.
Comment down below. Come on, let me know. Let us know. Let us know.
Let us know, guys, what car we are leaving the airport in, guys, because you about to find out right now. Look at it, guys. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Alright, guys, 10 seconds. Put it down below. Tell us what car we leaving the airport in. Alright, what car we leaving the airport. So down below, guys, go ahead. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, you still waiting? You have to put it on the comment below.
Come on, guys.
Come on, guys. All right, here we go. We are living with this. Yeah. So now we are about to go and pick up the kids, and we're gonna surprise them on this Tesla. Oh, go ahead, open the door. Where? You got it? Ooh.
That's right,
Guys, so we are gonna be leaving on this to get the kids. Alright, guys.
I'm gonna drive.
So we're gonna get the kids now. Look at it, look at it. Guys, it's the first time we're gonna be driving the Tesla. Yeah. Look at it, look at it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Alright, guys. So let's go ahead and surprise the kids. Stay tuned, let's see their reaction, guys. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Alright. Let's go get the kids, guys. Stay tuned. Let's see what they think about the Tesla.
Go.
All right, guys. So we are ready, going to get the kids, and let's see their reaction.
Let's go.
We got a new car.
Give me the food.
All right, guys. Come on in. Come on in.
I opened it.
Come on in.
Oh my
What do you guys think about the new car?
It's so pretty.
What you think about this new car, Tutu?
Good.
What you think about this new car, bro?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Yeah, you like it?
Good, yeah.
Wow, okay.
Look at that.
What you think about the new car?
Oh my god, I couldn't open the door for the first time I opened it. I have my food.
Hey, what you guys thinking? What you guys
It's
think?
so good.
What you guys think about the Tesla? Woo!
Guys, they're so excited to get in the Tesla. Wow. Are you guys?
Put the window up.
Are you guys ready for a ride?
Yes.
Sit back.
Sit back then. Sit back.
Don't touch the car.
Sit back with your seatbelt then. Put down
Okay.
your seatbelt.
Wait, I need a seatbelt.
Let's go fast.
All right, guys.
Seatbelt.
So we are about to go for a ride. Are you guys ready?
Are you guys ready?
Are you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Well, buckle up. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited for this car, Kiki?
Yes.
You look excited. You look excited.
I'm so excited. But how we about this?
Huh?
How we about this?
It's a surprise.
All right, let's go.
Serious?
Guys, look at this. Look at this. Are we ready for the ride?
Yes.
All right, look at this, guys. It look like we at a house. Looking at the cameras. Are we ready?
We're ready.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, here you go, guys. Here we go, the first ride, the first time driving the Tesla.
Wait, we're driving with the door open.
No, we're not.
Your door is open, Kiki? Open it. I think my Kiki is open. Go ahead. Guys, we're driving the Tesla with the kids. We already pick up the kids and they're so excited to see this car. Wow. Okay, guys, how was your day today?
Good.
Huh? Your day was good?
Yes.
And our day is good.
How much money do you guys spend on this?
Let's not talk about that, okay? All right. What you think about the Tesla?
I love it so much.
Right? All right, guys. So stay tuned for the ride.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Are you excited to drive the Tesla?
Excited, I cannot wait.
Look at it, guys.
It's so
This is so gorgeous. Man. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this, guys. Driving the Tesla for the first time.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's so cool in here.
How we open the doors from inside?
You can.
It's on child lock. You can't open it.
Let me get out.
All right, guys.
All right, so let's go. We're heading in on a ride right now. And let's see. Let's do this ride with us. I'm so excited. I can't wait for it to be my turn to drive.
All right, guys. So right now, we have to charge it. It's at 23 miles. So we got to find a charger so we can charge it. Okay, guys. So with that being said, we are out.